Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Do you ever have uncomfortable feelings when you're going about your day? When you feel discomfort, it can show up as a slight uncomfortable feeling where you almost feel like it's just running in the background of your life, and often we try to outrun it when it feels like this. It can also feel like a tightness in your chest when you're about to speak up, or a lump in your throat when you're walking into a meeting. You might feel a pit in your stomach when you're deciding whether or not to go after something big that you've been dreaming about. I want you to know that feeling uncomfortable or discomfort is not a problem. It's not a red flag. It doesn't mean something's wrong. In fact, I'm going to argue that discomfort might just be the compass that leads you straight to the life that you've been working so hard for. Today, we're going to talk about what discomfort really means, why it's worth leaning into, and how embracing it can be the secret to finally creating the changes that you've been craving in both your professional and your personal life. Let's dive in. Do you think about discomfort as an enemy? When you feel discomfort pop up in your life, how do you usually respond? Do you push it away? Try to distract yourself? Do you fill up your calendar, scroll your phone, grab a snack, pour a glass of wine, or pick a fight with your partner? Do you find that you do anything to not feel that gnawing discomfort? If you said yes, you're not alone. Most of us have been taught that discomfort is something to avoid, or that if we're uncomfortable, something must be wrong. But what if I told you that discomfort is the price that we pay for growth, not a penalty? It's a signal. It means you're stepping outside of your comfort zone, that you're doing something different. You're disrupting everything that you do on autopilot. And yes, your brain is going to freak out a little bit. That's just what it does. Its job is to keep you safe, not fulfilled, not growing, safe. One of my clients had an opportunity to advance their career. It was the position that they had been dreaming about for quite a while. They just had to speak up and let their manager know that they were interested. It was a position that would not only help them financially, but it was a goal that they wanted to achieve. But the thought of walking into their manager's office and letting them know that they were interested made them feel sick to their stomach. They had thoughts like, what if they think I'm not ready? Who do I think I am for going for a position like this? What if I can't handle it? What will they think about me if I don't get the position? So guess what they did? They didn't talk to their manager. They didn't go after the position that they really wanted. And for weeks afterward, they kept thinking about what might have happened if they had. That was discomfort too. It was the discomfort of regret. And that's the thing. When you avoid one kind of discomfort, you usually end up trading it for another. You dodge the nerves and self-doubt, but you end up picking up a side of self-disappointment instead. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.